Welcome back to Deeplearn. Today we're exploring 15 types of people you might want to avoid to protect your mental well-being and enhance your life. Join me as we navigate through this insightful journey. Type 1. Exploiters. These individuals are like shadows, lurking around to take advantage of others for their gain. Watch out for those who manipulate situations to serve their interests without remorse. Type 2. Fair weather friends. They seem supportive until you hit a rough patch. When challenges arise, their true nature shows as their support fades away like a mirage. Type 3. Envious individuals. Their jealousy poisons relationships, corroding bonds and sowing discord through comparisons and resentment. Type 4. Defeatists. Stuck in their failures, they wallow in self-pity and negativity, potentially dragging you down with them. Type 5. Arrogant individuals. Their overwhelming sense of superiority can stifle personal growth and alienate those around them with their condescension. Type 6. Doubters. Ready to extinguish the flames of your ambition with their cynicism. Their skepticism can undermine your confidence and deter you from your goals. Type 7. Rumor mongers. They thrive on gossip and drama, disrupting relationships and obscuring truth with malice. Type 8. Manipulators. These controlling individuals seek to dictate your life, stifling your autonomy with their domineering needs. Type 9. Emotional drainers. They suck the positivity out of life, leaving those around them feeling depleted and worn out. Type 10. Intimidators. Bullies use intimidation to dominate, inflicting psychological wounds that can have long-lasting effects. Type 11. Deceivers. Compulsive liars destroy trust with their tangled webs of falsehoods, challenging the foundation of your relationships. Type 12. Former selves. We all evolve. Avoid clinging to past versions of yourself that hinder growth and embrace positive change. Type 13. Pessimists. Their negative outlook can darken your spirits, permeating your life with discontent and gloom. Type 14. Victim players. Those who perpetually play the victim avoid personal responsibility and can entrap you in their narrative of disempowerment. Type 15. Close-minded individuals. They resist new information and ideas, stifling intellectual growth and diversity of thought. Recognizing these types can help you make healthier choices about who you let into your life. Thank you for joining me on this journey. Like, subscribe, and share this video to help others build better relationships. Until next time, choose positivity and stay empowered. Keep thriving, and remember, it's not just who you are, it's also who you're with. That shapes your life.